Indigo.
And I'm Harry.
This is our brand new YouTube channel. We believe that no one is too young to make a difference. We're only 8 years old, and yet we can show you loads of fun and cool crafty ideas to help save our planet! And start making things with things we already have. Also, we need to teach our parents and grown-ups how to save the planet.
Come on, family, let's get in the car for a nice pointless drive around the country.
Oh yes, wouldn't it be wonderful going for a pointless drive again around the country, seeing all the pretty flowers?
Oh, why can't we just ride on our bicycles, not ruin the planet again?
Because we are adults and we are going in the car. Now come on.
I wonder what can make my parents stop driving this car to save my planet.
Full speed ahead!
That's bad. You're ruining the planet, Mum and Dad. Yes, I have an idea. I'll just keep saying, why can't we go on our bicycles over and over again so they get annoyed? Can we go on our bicycles now?
No, we cannot.
Oh, why can't we go on our bicycles?
Because we're strapped to the car.
I want to go on my bicycle. I want to ride 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 my bicycle.
So please join us every week for a brand new video. And we'll be showing you loads of crafty and arty ideas to do at home. If all us young people come together, then we can really make a difference and save our planet! Goodbye!